Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Luz, and today I'll share with you how to make a delicious pork chops recipe with a Dijon mustard sauce. As always, we're gonna start by seasoning our pork chops with salt on each side. And freshly ground pepper on both sides as well. So for our next step, we are going to melt our butter and incorporate the pork chops. We're gonna sear them on both sides. Just give it a couple of minutes until they get golden brown. You don't want them to finish cooking yet because we want them to finish cooking in the sauce. So what I'm doing here is melting the butter and adding the pork chops to sear them on both sides. Okay, so I already pan seared my pork chops. As I told you, I am going to add some butter to the pan. Anytime now, there you go. And I am going to add some onion, right? One large onion that I already julienned. Okay, so our butter melted. I'm gonna add the onion. I'm gonna give it a quick stir. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention is that my onions were cooking under medium-high heat. I am going to go ahead now and add the Dijon mustard to the pan. I'm gonna give it a quick stir and then I'll show you guys the next step. Okay guys, so I already added the Dijon mustard. I'm going to go ahead and add the heavy cream into my pan and I'm gonna give this a quick stir. I am gonna lower my heat to medium-low, and I am going to add the pork chops into the pan, and I'm gonna let it finish cooking there. Okay, and I'll show you guys how it. The pork chops are ready. Almost ready. I'm gonna finish up by adding some fresh thyme to it, just to give it that kick, that touch. I'm gonna give it a quick stir, and that is it. I'm gonna serve and show you guys the final look. Okay guys, so you saw the final results. I'm just gonna give it a taste with you on camera. I already cut it. So good, creamy, delicious. I can taste the thyme. I can taste the thyme, and I can taste the white wine, and the mustard is really rich and creamy and delicious. And I hope you like this recipe. Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.